how to search hotel in Hilton Honors and use filters. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Let's get started. Open up your browser and then go to hilton.com. Now head over to Hilton Honors and then there you can go to About Hilton Honors. Now you will be headed to the Hilton Honors page, and right at the top you can see where to. This is where you can search for destination. Just put in your destination and then you can put in your check-in dates and the checkout dates. Hit done. You can put in the number of room and the number of guests, and you can put special rates if you're a senior, travel agents, if you have a promotion code, group code, corporate codes, and more. And then tap on Find a Hotel. Now it will show you all of the hotels available. And then uh, here you can see various filters. So you can just scroll through the filters on the right hand side, and then you can put in the filters of your choice. So there you go. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.